We are not a cult. That insistence from a Seventh-day movement whose actions to relocate to a deep rural part of St. Mary has raised concern about a possible repeat of questionable rituals similar to what happened at the now famed Pathways International in St. James. Now, the church in question, following the Blueprint Ministry, does not have a physical location, but has started work to relocate some members to rural areas for, quote, perilous times to come, end quote. Now, Krista Campbell went searching for answers in the first of a two-part Primetime News in Focus report.
Deep in the hills of St. Mary, in a very remote part of the parish, you'll find the community of Bell Hill. Beyond paved roads and beaten tracks, members of a Seventh-day Adventist church group following the Blueprint or FTB ministry are building. The October 2021 cult-like murders of the St. James-based Pathways International Ministries are still fresh in the minds of many and have sparked concerns about what exactly the church members are doing in such a deserted area and whether Jamaicans should be concerned. The police have visited the area on several occasions.
The members are really considered to be normal law-abiding citizens, and they're always preaching and praying. So we hope that that is really what they're about and not considered anything that is in any way, shape or form likely to be what took place in Montego Bay.
Head of the St. Mary Police, Superintendent Bobbitt Morgan Simpson, says the police are keeping an eye on the developments in the area and will make periodic checks on the activities there. Now, Port Maria Mayor Richard Creary says he doesn't have any evidence of cult-like activities taking place among the church group, and his only concern is with building code breaches.
8 structures under construction. We have not received any building applications for any of those structures. In the report, it states that it seems to be residential as well as institutional, which would probably give the impression that there might be like a church building and I'm told probably a school building, that sort of thing.
So on December 21 last year, the mayor served notice for all construction to stop until the church presents the necessary documents requesting permit to build. But when the municipal corporation returned with police last Wednesday, January 26, even more breaches. Construction is still being done and new structures are also being built. The mayor says under the new Building Act, the municipal corporation can and will demolish sections of the new structures which are in breach. Additionally, he says the church group has yet to show any proof of ownership of the lands they're occupying. But FTB pastor William Leckie says the initial breaches were being dealt with, and he believes his church is being unfairly targeted.
Anything that people don't understand that seems strange, people will want to say that's cultic, especially if it has some attachment to religion.
But what led church members here in the first place? We'll explore the issue in part 2 of this Primetime News special report. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.